Microsoft stock has been falling hard, and investors are starting to get nervous. After hitting all-time highs in late 2025, Microsoft has pulled back significantly at times, with drops of 20 to 30%, driven more by shifting expectations than any true collapse in the business. The sell-off started when the market realized that Microsoft's massive AI push wasn't going to translate into instant profits. A major factor has been the surge in AI spending. Microsoft has been pouring tens of billions into building out AI data centers, cloud infrastructure, and expanding Azure capacity. At the same time, Azure growth, while still strong, slowed from explosive levels to more moderate high-growth levels. In today's market, that kind of deceleration is enough to trigger a sell-off. On top of that, early expectations around AI products like Copilot didn't fully meet the hype, raising concerns about how quickly AI will actually become a major revenue driver. By early 2026, sentiment turned more bearish as investors questioned the return on all this AI investment. Valuations were reset after the massive 2024 to 2025 AI rally, and concerns grew around long-term infrastructure spending cycles that could pressure margins in the short term. Some investors also rotated out of mega-cap tech into more defensive sectors, adding extra pressure to the stock. Even strong earnings reports weren't enough to push Microsoft higher because the market had already priced in perfection. However, the bullish case is that the core business is still extremely strong. Microsoft continues to grow revenue at double-digit rates. Azure remains one of the dominant cloud platforms globally. The company also has a massive backlog of contracted enterprise and cloud revenue, which provides long-term visibility into future cash flows. If sentiment shifts again, the setup could flip quickly. If AI spending begins translating into clear profit growth, Azure reaccelerates, Copilot adoption scales across enterprises, and margins stabilize after the heavy investment phase, Microsoft could go from being seen as an overhyped AI spender to a dominant cash flow machine in the AI era. Right now, the market is pricing in fear and uncertainty, but over the next 12 to 24 months, this pullback could end up being one of the most important reset opportunities in mega-cap tech.